Pomeranian barking. Dog barking sounds affect high quality. This is Pomeranian barking sounds effects, which has a lot of benefit for keeping home when homeowners are not. Barking is one type of vocal communication that dogs use, and it can mean different things depending on the situation. Here are some reasons why dogs bark. Territorial and or protective. When a person or an animal comes into an area your dog considers that their territory, that often triggers excessive barking. As the threat gets closer, the barking often gets louder. Your dog will look alert and even aggressive during this type of barking. Alarm or fear. Some dogs bark any noise or object that catches their attention or startle them. They can happen anywhere, not just in the home territory. Boredom or loneliness. Dogs are pack animals. Dogs left alone for long periods, whether in the house or in the yard, can become bored or sad and often will bark because they are unhappy. Greeting or flee. Dogs often bark when greeting people or other animals. It's usually a happy bark accompanied with tail wag and sometimes jumping. If you don't have enough money to raise a dog, you can use this video when you are sad or simply you want to go out and want to keep home. Okay, that's all. If you see this is a good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you later.